Do you want to generate subtitles like these, where each word appears on screen one by one? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do just that using a free editor called Flixier. I'm gonna show you two methods. One that's simpler and takes only a couple of clicks, and the second method that takes a little more time but gives you more in-depth customization. Let's start by going to Flixier and then clicking on Get Started. You can upload your video from your computer or import it directly from Google Drive and other platforms, including TikTok or YouTube, via the link option. Once it's imported, you need to drag the video from the library on the left here down to the timeline. Then right-click on the video and select the Generate Subtitles option. It's all pretty straightforward. Next, it's time to choose a style for your subtitles. Flixier gives you a lot of customization options which you can adjust from the right side menu. You can add animations to your subtitles, choose from different presets, or customize everything from scratch with font, size, stroke, and shadow options. What we want here, however, is to give our subtitles that word-by-word effect. To do that, go to the Subtitle tab here and under Subtitle Effects, choose Word Pop-up. This will display each word on the screen one at a time while you speak. You can still continue to customize the rest of your subtitle and tweak the font, color, or size while the effect is applied. Now, this was the easier method, but I promised I'd show you two ways to do this. For this second method, you need to select your subtitle on the timeline after you generate it. The subtitles panel will open on the left side. You can use this to easily check if your subtitles are accurate. Then you need to hover over each subtitle box and press the split button to divide your subtitles word by word. Keep doing this until you only have one word in each cell. Then, when you play back your video, you'll notice that each word pops up as you're speaking, perfectly synchronized. And this is how you can easily generate word-by-word subtitles in no time. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy editing!